Hello, YouTubers. Hi. So, how are you doing,
Kanakanachiyaramma
everyone?
temple.
So, today we are visiting Kanakanachiyaramma temple, which is located in at the place of Tamil Nadu and Andhra
We are
border,
passing through.
and also it is in the forest. So, today we are going to visiting there. It will be around 35 kilometers from Kuppam town. So, today we are visiting there. Come, let's check out. So, from Kuppam to come with the main road, we have to take a right turn to go to Kanakanachiyaramma temple. You can see the double road has become a single road, so should be very careful while driving. You can see a thick forest. It is an elephant reserve, so if we are lucky, we may encounter some elephants too. And you can observe there is a white flowers on the left side and the right side of the road, which looks so beautiful. This is a flower season.
పూలనే కొనుకేయమంట తను వచ్చేనంట తను వచ్చేనంట.
So entire road will be like this with the flowers on the both the sides of the road. And you can see a beautiful landscapes, mountains. And we can see that there is a dark cloud. It may rain heavily. We hope rain shouldn't disturb our journey today. It's really a dangerous road. Should be very careful while driving because it's a single way and it's a cart section. On the way to the temple, we found a beautiful lake where the mountain on the both sides and water in center. So we decided to have our lunch on this river bank. So let's see what happens. Finally, we reached the temple. There was a parking over there, which is a paid parking. So they took 10 rupees for each of our bikes, and we started walking towards the temple.
Where is the temple? Where is the temple? Where is the temple? Meenamma, where is the temple?
We were really shocked. The temple is on the other side of the river. To go there, we have to walk on the dam where the water current was so much. It was really scary to walk on that. And we observed that water was so chill and it was slippery. Because of the continuous water flow, the marsh has been formed on that. The marsh is making us to slip. So we were on the right side of the dam and we were holding the metal cable and we were walking slowly towards the temple. At the middle of the way, we have turned towards left and we have seen that water flow was so much, so we got really scared. This river starts from Karnataka and it flows to Tamil Nadu through Andhra. This river is called Palar River. Really a must visit place. If any bikers are seeing this video, kindly visit this place. You love it. We were walking slowly because it was so slippery. And we also observed that there were fishes over there. It was waiting for food. And then we came to know that the people who are coming to the temple, they'll put some food for it, so it is got used to food, so it will be waiting for the food over there. after seeing those fishes, we got an idea to have some fish over there. Finally, we reached the temple. So this is the entrance of the temple. We went inside. We had some puja. And it's a very powerful temple. Even people from many parts of the state comes there and gives some sacrifices to the goddess Kanakanachiyaramma. The clouds were getting really dark. From the front side of the temple, we had a beautiful view of the entire dam. And the amount of water, you can see the amount of water, how much it is flowing. The current was really high. The swans were doing some fishing. So we thought we'll also have some fish. We are tempted to have some fish over there. So we thought we'll just find out some vendors who is selling fishes over there. So we finished our puja and we walked back on the dam.
ఏమిరా బాలరాజు ఏమిరా ఉపయోగం దేశానికి నీ వల్ల ఏదన్నా పని చేసుకోరా బ్యా
Came across a very cute dog. It was with us all the time when we were in the temple, and it followed us back.
in this beautiful world. You and I.
I don't know what happened suddenly. We remembered that we are engineers and we started discussing about the fluid mechanics.
అక్కడంతా టర్బులెన్స్ ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ లామినార్ టర్బులెన్స్
About turbulence flow and laminar flow.
వర్షం మొదలైంది.
And it started raining
అప్పాడి.
by the time we reached other side of the bank.
బార్ సార్ బార్ இந்த பக்கம் அந்த பக்கம் பார் இல்லையா இந்த பக்கம் இருக்கிறதுக்கு பால்
Finally, we found a vendor who is selling a fish fry. So we have paid 200 rupees to him. So he fried 4 yummy fishes and he was given to us.
ఓ చేపను ఓపెన్. పద మచ్చే ముందుకే.
We packed our lunch and we started back. So as we planned, we are going to have our lunch on the bank of this river by seeing the beautiful scenic nature. Finally, we found a place. So we sat there, we ate fish and biryani.
లంచ్ విత్ నేచర్.
And trust me, the place was so scenic and it was mesmerizing. Finally, we have done with the trip, so we head out back home. It was really heavy rain over there. We were completely drenched. You can see everywhere water. The lakes were full. The roads were really horrible due to the heavy rain. Finally reached back home safely. If you like the video, please share, subscribe and comment. So next trip you wanna go to a Kangundi hill. It is a historical place. So stay tuned. See you in next video. Bye bye.